Dear students, welcome to this English class. Today I shall conduct the revision of the chapter Saving the Tiger. I have already explained this particular chapter through 3 different videos, that is Saving the Tiger Part A, B and C. I hope you have gone through the videos. If not, please watch those videos so that you'll get a detailed explanation of this particular chapter. There is also a video containing the notes of this chapter. Now we shall conduct the revision. As you know the paper pattern, there will be a passage comprehension. So let's do a quick practice of the same. In this video, there are 2 passages given based on which questions are asked. You have to write the answers. Passage comprehension 1. The first one. This particular passage is on page 76 of your textbook and paragraph number 1. Please open your textbooks to page 76, paragraph number 1. It begins with, I was 19 and ends at will always remain special. I hope you are able to locate the passage. It begins with, I was 19 and ends at will always remain special. Now based on this passage, the questions are asked. So you have to read the passage so that you can find the answers to these questions. I shall read the question. You have to read the passage and find the answers to these questions. So you need to write the answers in your notebook. The first question, how old was the writer when he first saw the tiger in the wild? Question second, Mahat means dash. Question 3, the Kanha Tiger Reserve is in dash. Question 4, the tame elephant was barely 5, 6 or 7 feet tall. You have to choose the correct option in the 4th question. Again I repeat, question 1, how old was the writer when he first saw the tiger in the wild? Question 2, Mahat means dash. Question 3, the Kanha Tiger Reserve is in dash. Question 4, the tame elephant was barely 5, 6 or 7 feet tall. Please do write the answers to these questions in your notebook. Once you have written all the answers, you may check them with the answers given here. Answer 1. The writer was 19 years old when he first saw the tiger in the wild. Answer 2. Mahat means a person in charge of an elephant. Answer 3. The Kanha Tiger Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh. Answer 4. The tame elephant was barely 6 feet tall. Now let's go to the passage comprehension 2. It's on page 79 of your textbooks, paragraph number 8 and 9. So please open your textbooks to page number 79 and refer paragraphs number 8 and 9. Questions based on these 2 paragraphs. It begins with the tiger is a highly adaptable and it goes right up to we can save the tiger. Now here are the questions. I shall read the questions. First one, why is the tiger said to be a highly adaptable species? Question 2, dash is a magnificent symbol of our country. Fill in the blanks. Question 3, which country is known as the land of the tiger? Question 4, saving the tiger is in our hands and we can do it. True or false? So please do read the 2 paragraphs on page 79, paragraph number 8 and 9. You will get the answers to these questions. Once you have found the answers, please write them down in your notebook and later on you may check the answers with those given here. Answer 1. The tiger is said to be a highly adaptable species as it can thrive in a wide variety of habitats and climatic conditions. Answer 2. Tiger is a magnificent symbol of our country. Answer 3. India is known as the land of the tiger. Answer 4. True. Yes, saving the tiger is in our hands and we can do it. I hope you have got the right answers. Please do practice again. Here there are some extra meanings which are there from this particular chapter just for your practice. Diligently means carefully, rapport means communication, French means border, vital, very important, magnificent means great. Again I repeat, diligently, carefully, rapport is communication, French is border, vital means very important, and magnificent is great. So children, thanks for watching this video and participating in the revision. I hope you have benefited. Please do well in your test. Take care and God bless you. All the best. Thank you.